Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. This is Nazmul Islam from ClassyDevs. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install the theme in PrestaShop 1.7. So let's get started. Now we will download the PrestaShop theme and we will install that theme in our back office. So let's download now the theme. Okay, we will go for this MyShop multipurpose PrestaShop theme. Click on that. Okay, let's see their demo. Okay, we will download this theme now. So put there your mail address, first name, last name, and click on the download now. So download link is sent to the mail. So we will check the mail now. Download file. Before that, complete the download from the following link. Okay, so you can download now from here. Yes, it is. The download has been completed. So now it's time to put this download file, or it's time to install this download file to our PrestaShop back office. Our download file is ready. Now it's time to install the theme in our PrestaShop back office. So we have already logged in to our back office. Now we'll go to design, themes and logo, and then we will add new theme. So you can see that the current theme is the default theme. When we have installed the PrestaShop, then they have provided the theme. This is called the default theme. So we will install the new theme what we have already downloaded. So add new theme, click on that. Then you can see that import from your computer. So click on that because we will import this file from the computer. So here you can see that myshop.zip. Open it and click on save. So our theme is successfully installed in our back office. So we can see that the MyShop version 1.1.1. This is from the ClassyDevs. So this theme is installed. So we can use this theme now. Click on yes. Okay, our theme is successfully updated. So the current theme is MyShop. The default theme is not our current theme. So we can check in our front office. Beside, we can see that here is a new function created that is called MyShop settings. So when you click on that MyShop settings, you will see the functionality of this theme. Okay, you can see the changes of this theme, and you have to install the demo model of this theme. They have the documentation, so you can read their documentation from here. So our theme is successfully installed, and we can customize the theme from the documentation. They have the easy documentation here, so you can read it and you can apply it. Now we will create a new page and we will import some section or template. So let's go to the pages from the design and add new page. Click on that. Okay, we will keep the name of this page test. Okay, save. Yes, test page is here. So let's click on that. Okay, here you can see that edit with crazy elements. So it is a page builder. You can create this page with this page builder. So let's click on that. So you will get this page builder with this theme, and you can add the template or widget from the left side. So let's add a template, not widget. Here is a lot of template. You can install it and you can try that. However, let's go to the my template. So click on select file or the upload icon. Okay. Okay. We have already the download file in the zip format. We have already unzipped this file. So click on the unzip file and we will pick the template. So paste template, not template. Paste template we will pick. Okay. Click on contact to see that is it work or not. Click on open. Okay, our section is successfully imported. Just click insert. Yes. Well, you can see that it's working. So by this page builder, create the element, you can design your page or you can upload the section. So this is all about our tutorial. If you like this video, don't forget to click on like button and definitely subscribe our channel to get the more video about the PrestaShop. Thank you.